Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best pickleball paddles. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Are you struggling with inconsistent control, pop-ups at the kitchen line, or shots that just don't land where you want? If your game feels almost there but not quite precise enough, your paddle might be holding you back. Control, touch, and stability matter more than raw power, especially in competitive pickleball. Meet the Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, a premium control-focused paddle built for precision and consistency. This paddle is engineered for players who value touch over brute force. Carbon fiber face delivers a soft, responsive feel with excellent ball control. X7 polypropylene honeycomb core enhances stability and reduces vibration. InfiniGrit surface technology improves spin potential and longer-lasting surface texture. Elongated Invicta shape gives extra reach for volleys and baseline shots. Balanced weight distribution improves maneuverability at the net. Premium build quality designed for consistent performance in competitive play. Pros: excellent control and shot precision. Great spin generation with textured surface. Solid feel with low vibration. High-quality build and durability. Cons: expensive compared to mid-range paddles. Not ideal if you prefer heavy power hitting. Slight learning curve for beginners. This paddle is best for intermediate to advanced players. Players who prioritize control, placement, and finesse. Doubles players who dominate at the kitchen line. Anyone upgrading from beginner paddles to pro-level consistency. At around $279.99, this is a premium paddle, but you're paying for elite-level control, durability, and performance consistency. If precision is your game, it delivers strong long-term value. Number 4. Meet the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle, a budget-friendly all-around paddle designed for beginners and casual players who want easy performance without spending big. Graphite plus fiberglass face balanced mix of control and soft power. Polypropylene honeycomb core reduces vibration and improves comfort on impact. Lightweight feel easier swing speed for faster reactions at the net. All skill level design for giving sweet spot for beginners and improving players. Comfort grip, 4¼ inches, stable hold for longer playing sessions. Head build quality trusted sports brand known for consistency and durability. Pros: very affordable price point. Easy to use for beginners. Comfortable grip and lightweight feel. Decent control for casual play. Cons: not as powerful as higher-end paddles. Less spin potential compared to carbon fiber models. Build feels more entry-level than premium. This paddle is ideal for beginners learning pickleball fundamentals. Casual or recreational players. Players switching from basic starter paddles. Anyone who wants a reliable budget option without complexity. At around $49.95, this is one of the best entry-level values in pickleball, simple, forgiving, and perfect for learning the game without a big investment. Number 3. Meet the Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle, a high-performance paddle built for advanced players who want explosive power without losing control. Power Air design engineered for aggressive play with faster ball speed. Carbon fiber plus fiberglass hybrid face combines stiffness for power with touch for control. 360 degrees proto-molding technology improves structural consistency and stability across the paddle. Flex foam perimeter expands the sweet spot and absorbs vibration on off-center hits. S2 shape, mid-weight, 8.1 ounces, wider face for better forgiveness and control at the net. Balanced power control system designed for players who want both finishing shots and precision placement. Pros: excellent power output for aggressive play. Large, forgiving sweet spot, especially for S2 shape. Strong stability and reduced vibration. High-end build quality and durability. Premium price point. Less beginner-friendly due to power-focused design. Slightly heavier feel for quick wrist play compared to ultralight paddles. This paddle is best for Advanced and competitive players. Aggressive baseline hitters and attacking doubles players. Players who want both power plus control balance. Intermediate players ready to upgrade into pro-level equipment. At around $206.85, this is a premium performance paddle. It's not cheap, but you're paying for elite-level technology, pro-grade materials, and a true power control hybrid design that can elevate competitive play. Number 2. Meet the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle, a popular all-around paddle designed for players who want control, comfort, and reliable performance at a great price. Graphite face delivers a soft, controlled touch for accurate shot placement. Nomex honeycomb core adds responsiveness and a solid pop on drives. Wide body shape, Z5 design, increases sweet spot for more forgiving hits. Cushion comfort grip reduces hand fatigue during long matches. Lightweight feel, 0.49 lbs, quick reaction speed at the net. Balanced control plus power easy transition paddle for improving players. Pros. Very forgiving wide sweet spot. Great control for dinks and resets. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Strong value for the price. Cons. Not as spin heavy as carbon fiber paddles. Less power compared to advanced pro models. Basic design compared to newer premium paddles. This paddle is ideal for beginners and intermediate players. Players focused on control and consistency. Doubles players who spend time at the kitchen line. Anyone upgrading from a starter paddle on a budget. At around $66.06, the Z5 offers excellent value. It's a trusted first serious paddle option, delivering solid performance, comfort, and control without a high price tag. Number 1. Meet the Joola 3S Pickleball Paddles, a modern raw carbon fiber paddle lineup built for players who want pro-level spin, control, and tournament-ready performance. Raw carbon fiber surface maximum spin potential and crisp ball control. UPAA certified design approved for high-level competitive play. Multiple shapes, Perseus, Hyperion, Scorpius, Magnus. Elongated equals extra reach. Wide body equals more forgiveness. Arrow curve equals faster swing speed. 14 mm core thickness, faster response and more power-oriented feel. Carbon fiber construction, strong, stable, and durable frame. Balanced modern design built for aggressive and strategic play styles. Pros. Excellent spin from raw carbon surface. Multiple shapes for different play styles. Tournament-ready certification. Strong power and control balance. Cons. Higher price than beginner paddles. 14 mm version can feel less forgiving. Requires skill to fully unlock performance. This paddle is ideal for intermediate to advanced competitive players. Players who rely on spin-heavy offensive play. Tournament or league participants. Players upgrading from entry-level graphite paddles. At around $179, the Joola 3S series sits in the premium mid-range. You're paying for raw carbon performance, pro-level certification, and multiple shape options that can match your playing style. If you're ready to upgrade your game, check the link in the description for the best deal on the Joola 3S Pickleball Paddle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more paddle reviews and comparisons.